Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about after setup theme. So after setup theme is an action hook. A lot of you probably don't know what hooks is. So there are two types of hook. One is action hook and the other one is filter hook. And we will be using the after setup theme hook a lot when we are actually bootstrapping our WordPress theme, because this is the hook that we will use for a lot of things. So this is basically something that fires after the theme is loaded. So whenever your theme is loaded, this hook will be fired, and I will show you the use of this hook in another video. But for now, just keep in mind that there is a hook named after setup theme. This is like one of the major uh, thing that you need to know when you are just bootstrapping your WordPress theme. So you can read some contributed notes here. If you don't want to, then it's perfectly fine. I will eventually show you everything in videos. So yeah, that's for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.